Craig's gonna eat a spider that I'm scared of. You're not gonna eat it. Wait, let me see it. Ah! You're too close. Oh my god, it's gonna. Don't eat it. Just hang on, let me see it. Oh my god, where is it? Oh my god, it's on the floor. No. You're fucked. You're fucked. Don't take it dancing and drinking. Oh my god, it's on the fucking door. Oh my god, oh my god. Look at him, he's marrying him now in a chapel.
He's starting to relax a little bit.
Oh really, so am I. Cooper! Yeah, as he fucking puts his venom in you.
He's not gonna put
He's starting to relax.
He has no venom.
Let me see. You don't know? Wait, he's got it. Where the fuck is he? Oh.
I still don't fucking like it.
What?
I still don't fucking like it.
Oh my god, he just
Wait. Whoa. Get away. Did it bite you? Did it bite you?
No, of course he didn't, dude.
You're
These
gonna.
spiders do not bite.
Why do you say that? Oh my god, it's on the bite. Where is it? It's gone. Oh. Okay, you either eat it or get it outside.
Eat it.
No, if you, I kind of dare you. I kind of dare you.
Yeah, dude. I
If you eat that, oh my god, eat it. You're not gonna. If you eat it, I will. Oh, it's gone. Where is it? Where is it?
This is way too interesting.
Where is it? It's gone. Oh.
He's right on my hand,
Oh.
dude.
Okay, get rid of it. Eat it. Throw it outside. Throw it in the belt. No. Oh my god!